Thank you there, Jim. Our next guest created controversy over a billboard for her law firm that reads, "Life's short, get a divorce."
Lawyer Corri Fetman is back to answer your legal questions. Good morning. Thanks for being here.
Hi. Thanks for having me.
Well, let's get right to it. This is from Teresa in Chicago. She's saying, is the economy creating more divorces because of spouses losing jobs and creating financial tension between the spouses? If so, is it beneficial to divorce now or wait until your finances are better? Good question.
Great question. Actually, the economy is affecting everybody, but couples are really staying together because of potential job losses, the decrease in value of the properties, and the overall just bleak picture of finances. There's really no easy answer to this question, and it's really a difficult one to answer. It depends on your facts and your circumstances of your economic situation. So if you are concerned, it's best to make an appointment with a trusted financial advisor or a divorce attorney. And you want to make sure, though, when you're going to that person, that they're not going to sell you a bill of goods and they're really going to tell you what the financial picture is like.
I guess it depends on how much you can take waiting on their finances, Larry.
This is from
the gurgling in the morning isn't so bad, right?
That's right. I can get over that.
This is from Sean in Beverly. About 15 years ago, I loaned my then-girlfriend about $40,000. She signed a promissory note agreeing to make payments to me, but she always had some reason she could not pay. I recently found out that she won $100 grand in the Illinois lottery.
No.
Can I sue her to collect on the promissory note?
Oh, that's a good question.
What is very clear here is that there's a 10-year statute of limitations on pursuing collection on written instruments. So you would only have until May of 2006 to pursue collection. However, there are some facts and circumstances, such as fraud, or if the person is living outside the state and you don't know it, where you can collect on the judgment. What is a hot tip here, which I'm going to give you, is that you want to have an attorney draft an agreement in the future. Don't pull a promissory note off the internet. Have them draft an agreement which allows you to contract outside the statute of limitations, and you can go longer than 10 years.
So does that promissory note, even if you just wrote it out like this, that means something?
It depends.
Okay.
I mean, it's not that simple.
My
Okay.
contract's written that way, so I could be in some trouble.
This is from Barbara in Orland Park. I'm going through a terrible custody battle. Recently, my teenage son, 13 years old, told me that my husband smoked marijuana with him last weekend when he had visitation. When I confronted my husband, he said it was not a big deal. I do not want my son exposed to drugs, let alone smoking marijuana with his own father. What can I do?
Ooh, that's a bad one. The Michael Phelps defense didn't work very well with Kellogg, and it's not going to work here. The court is going to be very concerned with the safety of your son. What you want to do is, I'm assuming that this person has a lawyer. You're going to contact your lawyer. They're going to file the proper petition, and the court is going to make sure that it ensues some type of remedy, such as therapy or random drug testing or supervised visitation, to ensure the safety of your son.
So you can't keep your son from going over there. You have to go all through the, it's not that immediate, right?
You might. You might. It depends on, you need to contact your lawyer and ask.
Well, thanks, Corri. You can check out lovelawyer.net. That is the website. Good to have you back.
Thank you.
So, Larry, is your contract written in pencil or pen? I think that makes a difference.